Greetings back to you with the Mercedes W220 mirror signal light, which is not working. This is how it looks when I removed it, and this is how it looks when I opened it up. As you can see, what I found was a diode. You can see it close, it's moving, and some of the resistance is also moving, so we need to solder them back and check the connectivity, plug it back in and see what happens. As you can see, all of the diodes are clear, no signal of any burnt or short circuit or open circuit, sorry. This is the other side, which I managed to open and get it out. You can see they're all crystal clear. So let's solder them back and check what happens. Any comments on how to remove this full mirror or to open the LED light out? Leave me your comment and I'll show you how to remove it. Keep up for the update.